You know, it really sneaks up on you. You don't wake up one morning and say you want to be an addict, but it really does happen. And I mean, the statistics, if you look at them, they'll show, I mean, 1 in 4 kids who use before the age of 18 are at risk for lifelong addiction. It's not a joke. It doesn't mean, you know, it's not someone living under a bridge. It's not someone that you see on TV. Like, this is a real thing. Anyone can suffer from it. Anyone can, you know, give these things up that are so important to them. It's not a joke. It's not about being cool or anything like that. It's, you know, real life. It's real part of reality that's really messing up society. The opioid crisis is a huge problem that is affecting us every day. It's affecting so many people. You know, if you look at a crowd and you ask people to raise their hands, you know, who knows someone or it like has someone in their family who has used substances and got addicted or has passed. I think the amount of hands that are raised would be incredible. And it's so prevalent in today's society that it shouldn't be ignored, and it shouldn't be, you know, played around with. It shouldn't be underestimated.